Hi there, my name is Itai Margolin, Product Manager for Datastream, Google Cloud's Change Data Capture service for streaming, ingestion, and replication. In this video, I will demonstrate Datastream's ease of use by showing the basic flow of setting up replication of a MySQL database to BigQuery. We begin by clicking the Create Stream button. Then we enter the basic details for the stream, which are the stream name and region, and select the source and destination types. Datastream lets me review the prerequisites and configuration steps needed to prepare my source database for replication. My database is all set to go, so I can continue to the next step. Next, we need to define the connection to our source database. I can create a new connection profile, or I can reuse an existing one. Run test helps me to make sure that Datastream is able to connect to my source database. Great! The connectivity test is successful, so I can safely proceed to configure my source. The main thing in the source configuration step is to specify which objects I want to replicate to my destination. I can select to replicate the entire database, or select specific schemas and tables. Next, I need to define the connection to the destination. Here again, I can create a new connection profile or reuse an existing one. Now I need to specify how I want to load my data to BigQuery. For this demo, I'll keep the default settings and proceed to the next step. Before I create the stream, I can run the stream validation process to make sure that the database and my stream are set up correctly. All the validation tests have passed successfully, so I can go ahead and create and start the stream. Within about a minute, my stream is created and Datastream has already started replicating data from my database to BigQuery. That's it! I've successfully set up Datastream for replication of MySQL to BigQuery. For more information, please refer to the Datastream documentation. Thanks for watching.